Here, now let us find all the trigonometric ratios for angle 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. To remember all this ratio, I give you one simple method. Let us see what is that simple method. For this ratio, for first sine ratio, I write here 0, then for 31, 2, 3 and 4, 0 to 4. Now divide each of this number by 4, 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Now find out square root of all these numbers. Square root of 0 by 4, square root of 1 by 4, square root of 2 by 4, square root of 3 by 4 and square root of 4 by 4. Now let us check the values. 0 upon 4 gives us 0. Therefore, square root of 0 is 0. Therefore, value of sine 0 degrees 0. Now square root of 1 by 4. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. Sine 30 degree equals to 1 by 2. Now here we get 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of root 2. We don't know exactly value, therefore 1 by root 2. That means sine 45 degree equals to 1 by root 2. Then square root of root 3 is root 3, square root of 4 is 2, sine 60 equals to root 3 by 2. Here 4 get cancelled, we get 1. Square root of 1 is 1, therefore sine 90 degree equals to 1. Now we have the basic formula. Cos theta equals to sine 90 minus theta. Now let us check cos 0. Cos 0 equals to sine 90 minus 0, that is sine 90 degree. Then cos 30 degree, sine 90 minus 30, that is sine 60 degree. Similarly, cos 45 degree equals to, we get sine 45 degree. Cos 60 degree equals to sine 30 degree and cos 90 degree equals to sine 0 degree. That means cos 0 equals to sine 90. Here we write 1. Cos 30 equals to sine 60, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, sine 45 equal 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is nothing but sine 30. We get 1 by 2. And cos 90 equals to sine 0. That gives you 0. That means if we check value of sine and cos, they are what? In opposite order. Sine is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Here we get opposite order, that is 1, then root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, sine 30, cos 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 90 is 0. Now let us check tan theta. We know that tan theta equals to sine theta upon cos theta. Now apply this formula and we get tan theta equals to, tan 0 equals to 0 upon 1, that is 0. Tan 30 equals to 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled, 1 by root 3. Tan 45 equals to 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2, 1. Tan 60 equals to root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2. Here 2 get cancelled, we get root 3. And tan 90 equals to 1 upon 0. We know that 1 upon 0 value does not exist. Therefore, here we write does not exist. Now again we know that cosec theta equals to 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Therefore, cosec theta, equals to 1 upon sine theta. Therefore 1 upon 0 cosec theta is not exist, does not exist. Then cosec 30, reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is 2. Cosec 45, reciprocal of 1 by root 2, that gives you root 2. Cosec 60 is reciprocal of root 3 by 2, that is 2 upon root 3. And cosec 90, reciprocal of 1, gives us 1. We know that sec is a reciprocal of cos theta. Reciprocal of 1 is 1, therefore sec 30 is 1. Sorry, sec 0 is 1. Sec 30, reciprocal of root 3 by 2, that gives you 2 by root 3. Here reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Then reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2, and reciprocal of 0 again here 1 by 0, that is does not exist. Now let us go for cot theta. Cot is a reciprocal of tan. Reciprocal of 0 does not exist, that is 1 by 0. Here we write does not exist. Then reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Cot 60, reciprocal of root 3, 1 by root 3, and does not exist. Reciprocal of that is 0. Therefore value of cot 0 is does not exist. Cot 30 root 3, cot 45 1, cot 60 1 by root 3, and cot 90 0. These are all the values of trigonometric ratios from 0 to 90 degree, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree.